Hi guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with another stock market news update. So today I wanted to jump in and take a look at Realty Income due to the fact that their numbers have been reported for the past few months on how much rent they've been receiving from their tenants. And I just want to take a deep dive into it really quick and kind of give you a reason why I'm so bullish on this company. So, Realty Income, a real estate investment trust with a portfolio of more than 6,500 commercial properties, experienced sequential improvements in rent collections during the summer months. The company collected 87.8% of its rent it was owed in the quarter ended in June 30th, but the proportion improved to 92.3% for July and 93.5% for August. Rent for the company's top 20 tenants also improved sequentially over the summer. Collections from the REIT's investment grade tenants were 100% in July and 99.9% in August. The company's portfolio focused on long-term net leases. Let me tell you why I'm bullish on this company, and it's very simple. The way they structure it. So, I would compare at night, know my dividends safely covered. And this goes to show that quality wins. So guys, if you have REITs or even companies for that matter that have cut the dividend or suspended it, and you have other ones in your portfolio that are growing the dividend, this is a wake-up call to all investors. This should be like an aha moment for everybody, that just because you see it 8 to 10% yield does not mean it's a good investment. And you should only have to learn this lesson once, that a yield trap isn't going to pay you more money. It's going to trap you. What a yield trap is it lures investors in with a double-digit yield, like close to what SKT was, but SKT was an aristocrat and they covered it as long as they had profitability. But something like NRZ that lures newer investors in, they think I'm going to beat the S&P 500 with a 10% yield, where say Realty Income has a 3.2% yield, so they think, oh, I'm only going to get, say $2.20 in dividends from Realty, but I'm going to get $3 from NRZ, whatever it may be. I'm going to consistently come out ahead as long as NRZ pays a dividend and they pay a higher yield, so they're a better company and they're going to, they care about their shareholders more. That's such a horrible way to look at it, because now if you were in some of those more shaky companies before this pandemic hit, you're now out of those dividends, out of that 10% dividend, and people who are in something like a Realty Income, because of how it's structured and because of the consistency and because they have such quality tenants, they're still getting their 3.2% yield when you're not even getting a dividend at all. Plus, they get stock appreciation with Realty Income, where stocks that generally, when stocks cut their dividend, they go down. So guys, I'm imploring you, use this as a lesson that you don't learn again. Yield traps don't make you money, they lose you money, and quality always comes out on top. And in my opinion, Realty Income is the highest quality REIT on the New York Stock Exchange. I've studied a lot of REITs, and honestly guys, a lot of the ones that I looked into were either yield traps or they didn't have the sustainability due to the fact that they didn't lease the same way that Realty Income does. They literally protect themselves from economic downturns by how they've structured their business. So they structure for success, and that's obviously reflected in the numbers, in the percentages of rent. So anyways guys, sorry, I know I went on a bit of a rant there, but I just use this as a lesson and change if you need to. If you've lost money during this pandemic due to a stock pick that was lackluster or that fell through, I implore you, reevaluate your investing strategy, and remember, quality is king. It doesn't matter what the yield is. It matters with a dividend stock. The only thing that matters is the free cash flow. If they have the free cash flow to pay you, then it's a good investment. If they have the free cash flow to pay the dividend and have it secure, it's a good investment. If they don't, then you're going to lose money. They're going to cut the dividend, and the stock is not going to be as successful as you think it is due to the double-digit yield. Anyways, guys, I'm bullish on Realty Income. I love the fact that even during a pandemic, they get almost 90% of their rent paid to them. That's phenomenal. Anyways, guys, I love Realty Income. It's my favorite REIT. It is going to be a big position in my portfolio due to how beautifully they structure their business. And if you're bullish, let me know down in the comments below what your guys' favorite REIT is. Anyways, with that, guys, I will wrap up the video. I'm just trying to save you guys some money and keep you guys safe from the fluctuations of the market and economic downturns. I just hate to see newer investors lose money. That's really all it is. I'm not even that seasoned myself. I've only been investing for about 2 years, but I've learned the hard way with like GameStop and SKT, and I just want to use my experience to save somebody else money. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. We hit over 400 subscribers. We hit over 26,000 views here on That Dividend Guy on my YouTube channel. I'm very thankful, and I'm very humbled, and I'm just grateful for the progress. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I do portfolio updates Monday through Friday. I do news on my stocks like this video, like Realty Income. I do Warren Buffett portfolio changes. I do Tesla updates. I do a lot. So I try to keep the quality content coming, and I hope I'm rewarded for views and subscribers and stuff like that. If you guys get quality out of these videos, there's no reason why you shouldn't stick around. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to invest positively, invest smarter, use this as a learning experience, and don't get too down on yourselves. Everybody makes mistakes. Just make one mistake and learn from it. Don't constantly make the same one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next stock market news update. Thanks, guys. Take care.